It's October 2nd, and most people think the year's over and say, I didn't learn Spanish. But guess what? You still have 2,160 hours, 90 days, 12 weeks, 3 months left in 2025. I know you're busy, work, school, family. But what if you gave just 10 or 15 minutes a day to Spanish? Here's the challenge. Learn 5 new words a day for 90 days. That's 450 of the most important Spanish words by New Year's Eve. I'm not gonna lie, you're not gonna learn Spanish in 90 days. That's BS. But in 3 months, you can train your ear with real speed Spanish. Start building confidence. See real results. So, don't wait until January 2026. Be like Nike, just do it. Join me in this 90-day Spanish experiment. And on December 31st, tell me what results you got. I just created a PDF with 450 of the most common verbs, nouns, and adjectives in Spanish. Download it and you will be surprised with the results in 3 months. Are you in?